Invest in these 3 things to secure your future. Hey everyone, my name is Jacob and my channel is about building your future through business, investing, and purpose. And today we're talking about something really cool. I love investing. I love the idea of building your future, and that's what this channel is all about. So, hey, I'm gonna jump in here right before this video starts. I wanna know a few different things, and I'm gonna ask this at the end of the video too. First, I'm gonna ask you to hit that like button and hit subscribe. But what I need to know, if you're into real estate investing, what does that look like for you? Is it single family homes? Is it multifamily homes? Are you investing in real estate to flip real estate? Leave that in the comments. I want to know what everyone watching this video is doing. You must leave that. So also, stock market. What brokerage platform are you using to trade? What kind of trading are you doing? Are you doing day trading? Are you doing long-term investment? And what platforms are you doing those things on? Or are you doing multiple things? Are you doing day trading on this platform, long-term investing in this brokerage? I want to know all of that below. And then I didn't even hit on dividends. Are you a very heavy dividend investor? You know, that's all things that I want to hear in the comments. Let's share that and then let's get right into the video. So today are 3 things to invest in to build your future, to build your financial freedom, to just really push out and be thinking about what it takes to get where you want to go. And first, I want to talk about business/job/whatever that looks like to you. So you need to be investing in your time where you work at. So it doesn't have to be building a business. It can also be your job. Invest time, learn, become the best you can be so you can earn more and more and more in that. You know, I see a lot of people that want more, but they never actually evolve. You can make a lot of money working for someone, but you need to prove yourself as a key asset. Same in business. Invest your time in learning, becoming better, because as your business provides more value, your business's income, its revenue will rise. So invest time in business and either that or your job so you can have more money to invest into these next 2 things. The second one I want to talk about is stocks. You know, stock investing is amazing. It is really cool. I'm new to it and I'm learning more and more every day. And it's something that you should get involved with. And even if you're not actively investing or not spending a lot of money investing, you just need to be educating yourself about it so you can start spending and putting money into it and know what you're doing. You know, figure out what kind of investor you're going to be like, what your strategy, how you're going to do that is. You know, are you going to do a little bit of day trading, which is more short term for money, or are you going to do more of what I would suggest, long term investing, kind of following Warren Buffett's strategy? You know, hold it long term for long term gains. So there's so much to learn about this. You can invest on platforms like Webull, Robinhood. M1 Finance is a great one for a long-term investor because it allows you to build portfolios. TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. A lot of these accounts have paper accounts too. So if you want to do day trading or you want to do something, a paper account lets you test it with fake money so you can really see and test your ideas to see if they're good ideas or they're bad ideas. Because trading and things like that, you know, if you're not educated on what you're doing, really all you're doing is gambling. You're just saying, oh, I think that's going to go up with very little education, and you're just gambling. So first you work on your business so you can invest more money into things like stocks, and you can learn and educate yourself better about the stock market and how to long-term invest in that to build your future, to build your financial freedom. And then third would be real estate. It's an amazing investment. There's so much stuff you can do with it. You know, I'm kind of hitting on multiple pieces of all of this, but in real estate, you know, if you want to do single family homes or multi-family homes, putting money into something, into an actual asset that's going to provide income for you long term. That's what all of this is about. That's what working and that's what business, you know, for your future, to retire someday, that's what you need to pull that money from that so you can invest in assets of some sort to provide income, and you need to build that income stream enough so you can retire or have financial freedom, whatever it is that you're looking for. So that is the 3 things that you invest in, and that's kind of the order I have went. You know, I thought I was going to do real estate before I ever got involved in stocks, but then stocks, it just really intrigued me. It's so interesting, and I keep learning more and more and more about the stock market, and I just am starving for information about it. And honestly, it was quicker and easier to get involved with it than real estate. You know, I've had a rental property before. I sold it, and I will have more rental properties again. But that constant evolution, that constant learning, I can't emphasize enough how important that is if financial freedom, if retirement's what you're looking for. Because that way you don't have to rely on a pension, or you don't have to rely on Social Security. You can rely on yourself. Build it yourself. Build this, work on upping your income so you can bring all these things, and you're not relying on anyone but yourself to do that for you. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. These are 3 things that are so important to invest in to build your financial future. I can't wait to talk to you more soon. Leave it in the comments. If you've got rental houses, tell us how many and what type. If you flip houses, leave that in the comments. Tell us how you do, how flips work for you. If you like that, tell us about what platform you invest in stocks on. There's a ton. I only listed a few. But what platform you invest in stocks on. Tell us about what stocks you like and how you're investing in them. Give us all this information. We really want to hear that in the comments below so we can kind of share in the info. So, like I said, check out these next 2 videos, and I'll see you all soon.